Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.